Yan po ang naging economic strategy na naging economic tragedy. What is the fifth deadly sin of the Philippine economy? Instead of exporting world-class quality products, we exported our world-class quality people in our OFWs. Nagkaroon po tayo ng brain drain. Yan po ang naging economic strategy na naging economic tragedy. Mantakin po ninyo, sabi nila, malaki daw po yung $30 billion a year. Tama. Pero kung kunin po natin ang average, divide by 15 million OFWs, $2,000 per year lang po yan, or $184 per OFW per month, divide by 30 days, halos $5 na lang po yan. At kung 5 po ang kanilang mga kapamilya, halos $1 per person per day lang po yan. We exported nothing, but we exploited our OFWs. Ikumpara po natin sa Vietnam. Isang planta ng Samsung sa Vietnam, isa lang po yan, 60,000 ang trabahante. Ang export po nila, $60 billion